Yeah, I just had a bit of a crash, guys. So what happened? I'm all good. I just got a broken mirror. So Stuart, like, it wasn't his fault. He just stopped because he was like a fair bit of ruts there, and then I stopped right behind him, and then I lost my balance. So I just dropped it on the right hand side. Yeah, the rest seems I just got a broken mirror. Nothing that's going to stop us today. I'll fix that up. Yeah, I'll just stand up. That's fine. Yeah, he gave me a hand to lift it up because he was on such a weird angle. I wouldn't have been able to lift it up myself. Just a weird, like a spot and weird angle. And what I've done, I've just, once we straightened it up, I put it in first gear, traction control off, sorry, ABS off, and then just went all the way up, no problems. Yeah, everything else is good besides the broken mirror. Yeah. Sometimes these things happen, especially on tricky terrains like this. This train is quite tricky, and those ruts were just crazy. They were so deep. It was like almost half a meter deep. Look at these ruts. So if you go into one of those ruts at high speed, like you pretty much got no chance unless you have very good high travel suspension. I'll just keep going. Yeah, we just take it easy. Yeah, I was actually fully committed to, as I've said, like crossing, like going past that where I dropped it. But yeah, the fact that the other gentleman stopped, I had to stop. So that's why it's always good to keep like a good distance between you and the other drivers, other riders. Just keep a bit of a distance. Oh. I see the ruts. So I'm just going from middle because it's the easiest and yeah, just pick your lane. Just cruise. Just cruise up. Just cruise up. All good? Just a broken mirror, no problem. Thanks for helping me. Yeah, just that angle, like when I stopped, I couldn't control it. That's fine. So, what? Not. The thing is, it was my fault because I was a little bit too close to Stuart. And then I'm thinking, like, some are going straight, he's going left. I go, I'll follow Stuart. But what happened, like, he stopped right at the end. I was too close. When I stopped, bang. Otherwise, I would have crashed into him. No problem, it's all good.
We're going to keep going to the top. We're not sure what the exit point looks like.
That's fine.
So we'll just make a decision up there.
Yeah, no problem. Look at that. It's called battle scars. Yeah, I'll have to take that off and just put it in the bin, rubbish bin. That's cactus. Any other? No other damage, which is good. Everything else is a 10 out of 10. Maybe some cuts and bruises here on the right side. Exhaust is good. Everything is good. Hey, but the fact that you did that in this bike is amazing. That's crazy. That's Aaron. He's a really good rider. He's been on a few social rides with us before. Yeah, we have to stand up here. A little bit loose and slippery ground. 100%. Go right. Oh, we're going back. Okay. Oh, even sometimes like turning can be tricky. Second gear. Okay. Go left. Just take it easy. Stand up. I'm just applying the front brake with my fingers as I need to. Last time I was going down like a little bit too fast, and I applied the rear brake. I hit the rear brake too hard, and it slid out and caused me to crash. So just take it easy. First gear, pick your lanes, apply the front brakes. Yeah, the thing is, you just don't want to go like too fast. Then you find that it's harder to slow down. Downhill, that is. Yep. Okay. I'm picking the middle lane. I'll try to get some fresh air and just rest my arms a little bit. Look at this rut. It's like almost 1 meter. You don't want to drop down there. That might be the end of the YouTube content. Yeah, just take it easy. The rest seems pretty easy, very cruisy. Oh, look at this. I'll go left. Look at that. At least half a meter. If you can avoid it, just avoid it. Go around it. It's really good cruising now. I'm getting a lot of airflow. Oh! Wow, that's nice. Okay, let's sit down for a bit. Third gear. I'm following the others. There's another rider behind me on the Suzuki 650. Yeah, it's just right behind me. It's pretty good. slow down, second gear. I might actually do one first because this is very steep downhill. Have a look, very steep downhill. So what you want to do, you want to stand up and just keep a steady pace. Just make sure the engine's still like churning, because if it starts to stall, then that's another thing that where you can have an accident. So if that starts to happen, just put the clutch in. Just put the clutch in. See how I'm picking my lane? I'm going from middle, I'm not going from the ruts. Just very light front brake. Okay. I'll pick my lane. Yeah. I'll go outside now. I'll go outside. Yeah, that's it. Second gear, that's it. Easy as that. There's a little bit more. Yeah, just pick your lanes. I'll go middle. I'll go middle. Yep. Let the bike suspension do the work. Middle again. Pick the lane. Yes. Get off speed to get out. That's it. No bueno. Unos problemos. Yeah. Okay. Let's see where we're going from here. Stop recording.